Did you know that Canva has AI tools that practically do the work for you? Yeah, we're talking about features like Magic Design, Magic Write. It's like Canva can read your mind. I'll explain how to find tutorials on that in just a second. Stick with me. Hi everyone, welcome back to Brand Locally. If you haven't watched the part 1 yet, click the link down below right here and enjoy watching. If you're just starting, there are step-by-step tutorials to navigate Canvas tools and create your first masterpiece. So there are beginner's guide right here where you can just create a design right here. Then there are pre-templates that you can follow right here. Just search for example, social media posting. And there you have it. It really depends on what you are aiming to post and you can just search it up right here. There are also applications that you can use for advanced design techniques, utilizing Canvas tools for complex designs such as creating gradients, reflection, and mockups. So, I'll just show you where to find it. Here, you search up gradient generator. And here, you have gradient generator right here. And add design, you can add this one right here. And there you have it. Then there's also mockups where you can click right here and just put the image or any marketing material that you currently have. Here you go. And you can put the image right here. Maybe we could just search up something from the photos. Maybe this AI tool. Let's wait for it. And there you have it. Then we also have a frame logo. Oh no, the easy reflection right here. Then you can just create a reflection of this one, which is very good. Add to design. Then adjust it just a little bit. There you go. Just make sure it is the same size. There you go. I explain a lot of this in my other videos. If you want to watch it, just click Brand Locally and it's in there. There's also AI integration leveraging AI-powered features like Magic Design, Magic Edit, and Magic Write to enhance creativity and streamline workflows. Like here, there's Magic Eraser, Magic Grab, Magic Edit, Magic Expand, and let's show you what, maybe the background remover. This is AI integrated, so it's very good and it was fast. So, and that's it. Then the next thing is branding right here. If you haven't watched my video again for the branding where I discuss everything about branding, how to do the logos, colors, fonts, you can watch my other videos about it. And lastly is collaboration. So we have here in Canva where 2, 3 or more people can design the same edit, can design the same feature at the same time. So you can just click right here and just put on the email, the brand locally now, and share it with them. And that's it. You can collaborate it with them and edit the same picture together. And that's it for today. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.